so the first part, we have a B, a D, an E, and a G. Kind of slide into 5, and then I hammer on to 7, and then I slide to 9. Okay. Then we play G7, G9, and then B8, and then bend, full bend, and then so bend, and then I pull off from B10 to B8, and then from G9 to G7. Part 2 of lick 6. Okay, so that's we have a B, a D, a G, an F, and an E in that. And again, the F is the minor part there. We slide from G2 to G4. Then you come up on the E and the B string, open, and slide back to 2. And then we'll do this. Those harmonies here on the 3rd fret, B and E, and then E2 and B1, and then open, okay? And that ends that solo. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.